Christ back into Christmas, the season of goodwill. Peace on earth for everyone, so let the bombs be still. Let the guns fall silent, let the hungry be fed, and let the tyrants of the world lie uneasy in their beds. You want Christ back in Christmas, yet you ignore his words and live your life in selfishness as if you never heard of the Samaritan who stops to help the stranger dressed in rags. You pay lip service to the Lord while worshipping the flag. A flag won't ask you what you've done to help the poor survive, but Christ demands you cast away the sin of national pride. Love thy neighbor as thyself, and you will plainly see that the true message of Christmas is one of empathy. God rest ye merry gentlemen, so drunken with dismay. You'd not be so belligerent should Christ come back today. If he were forced to choose a side, I tell you without doubt that he'd embrace the refugee and cast the fascist out. So come on, you people of good faith, and listen to my song. If you have studied the Holy Book, you'll know that it is wrong to use the name of Jesus Christ in order to divide. So stand with those who need the most goodwill at Christmas tide.